You might be wondering why I look so flustered. It's because it's Christmas Eve and I sat here all day because my Huda Beauty advent calendar has been out for delivery since this morning. So I was like, oh my God, as soon as it comes, I'm gonna do my makeup with it, with everything in the box. So I see UPS in my complex at 11 a.m. They literally drive past my house. I'm like, okay. So then I start doing my makeup. Now, literally the second I'm done, because I went live on GlitzGlamFam, okay, and on Instagram, they rang my doorbell. I was like, and it was UPS, and I was like, okay, enough story time. It's here. It is here, y'all. This box is so huge, and you know what it is. You know what it is. Oh my God. Ooh, sample. Okay, hold on. Guys, it came like this. It's the only kind of baby I want right now. It's so huge. I love it. Oh my God, I don't even have my box cutter up here. I'm in my beauty room today, y'all. And I'm literally not even gonna edit this. I'm just gonna post it because it's just in time for Christmas. Christmas time is here. Guys, oh, something fell. I don't know what fell. Here it is. It's here. Okay, how do my lips look? This is huge and it is heavy. It's heavy. Okay, let's do the sample first. Okay, y'all. All right. So the sample is, oh my God. The bubble wrap is in hearts, y'all. Oh my God, the bubble wrap is hearts. Can we get into this packaging? I'm so excited. I just can't even. Okay, this is citrus. I love perfume, by the way. Citrus, bergamot. If y'all saw my scent bird unboxing, you know how I feel about bergamot. But let's spray it. You know, I have my Gucci Bloom on today. But let's spray this just to see. Oh, okay. Decent. All right, let's get in here. Let's get in the box. So this is the Huda Beauty Advent Calendar. And you guys, I'm starting this mystery box series on my channel. So I'm doing like a series of mystery boxes. So the Advent Calendar, you can't see what's in it. So I figured this counts as a mystery box, right? Plus, I wanted it. So anyway, my sister told me they went on sale and they're like in Jersey and we live in Jersey. So she's like, order it. I'm like, okay. So I ordered it, and this is from Huda Beauty. It costs $175, y'all. All I know is it better be worth it. That's what I know, okay? So today is Christmas Eve, so I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna post it right away so you guys can see what's in it. Hopefully you can snag one on sale. So I guess you go through 1 to 12. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the first one, number 1. Let me clear off my bench here. I have a bench, not a chair, because your girl needs a room. Okay, how do we open this? Come on. I'm like, how do we open this? Let's get into it. Guys, you need to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I would do a giveaway, but I probably won all this, okay? But I am doing active giveaways on multiple videos, so... Okay, this is Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. So this is not full size. This is going to be sample size. So let's just, you know, put that to the side so we can show everything. So that was number 1. Number 2 is all the way down here. I don't know why they would do that, but number 2 is down here. And I guess it goes by like the size the item is. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God, I can't. Okay, so this is, I love how everything's wrapped up so you like don't even know what it is. Oh, these are lashes. Okay, these are Huda Lengthy number 23. So these are very, very nice. Are these faux or are these real? Hold on. Synthetic false lashes. Okay, so these are faux. Okay, the band looks really thin. I've actually never had any Huda lashes, so this is a first. Of course, these are never basic lashes, available at GlitzGlamFam.com. Okay. So, but I would have worn these because I was going to do a full face with whatever I got in here, but freaking UPS, they're delivering stuff at 4 p.m. But, you know, shout out to UPS delivering on Christmas Eve. So, this is number 3. What is this? It's a pencil, y'all. Really? Shout out to Huda. Shout out to the fulfillment center. And it's like in New Jersey, by the way. Okay, so this is a pencil. I've never had a Huda pencil. I actually bought a Huda like pencil lip kit, but I gave it to my sister. This is like a pink. Oh, I might have to give this to her. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so that was number 3. Where was number 2? Oh, the lashes. Okay, so and then number, what are we on? That was number 3. So number 4. It's a big one, y'all. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. I can't even. I probably should have saved this for Christmas, but I don't really care. Y'all. Okay, really a face mask. Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask. Mask cocooning. So this is a face mask. 20 minutes. Sheet mask. Huda, stop playing with me for $125. Stop playing with me, Huda. A sheet mask? Okay, number 5. Huda, don't play with me. Don't play with me. $125. Stop it. Okay. Here we go. Number 5. Feels heavy, but it's small. What is this? Why are you playing with me, Huda? Really? This is a sample size. Rose oil, rose carrot seed, rose hip, and baobab. Baobab. Why are you playing with me, Huda? I'm gonna add her in this. Okay, number 6. And you know Huda's my idol too, but she's getting cute with this. $175. Well, it was actually $175, but it was on sale for $125. So what is this? 6. It feels heavy, but it's small. This is a sample size. This is, well, not sample, but it's not like a full size. I can't imagine this is full size, but this is pretty. So, I mean, like, at least if it's going to be small, make it pretty. Okay, this is Musk 12. Musk. Okay, let's sniff this. See, I have my Gucci Bloom on, so, oh gosh. I love perfume, though. Oh, this smells good. Okay, so it doesn't have a description, but it is very churchy, you know, like a church lady. So that smells good. Okay. All right. See, since I like perfume, I'll give it a pass. Okay, number 7. Here we go. We doing 12 days in one day. I don't know. Did anybody leave a comment down below? Did anybody open this like over 12 days? I'll get it all at once. I should have waited till Christmas, but I don't care. Okay. Okay. This is a palette, I believe. Let's see. I don't know if I like this. Musk 12. I don't know. Okay. Nude medium. Okay. The nude palettes are pretty cute. Here we go. These are the shades. So it's very universal, kind of basic. Like, see her little 9 pans, they look basic, but when you swatch the shimmers, they're actually nice. So, you know, I'll use this. This is actually pretty. Something you could, you know, actually it kind of matches with my tiger outfit. Okay. So what was that? 7. Okay, let's do number 8. Number 8. Ooh, okay, this has 2 items in it. Now we're talking, Huda, 175. Miss 175. Okay, this has this in it, but this is separated. So clearly it's old, I think. I don't know though. Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. And then, what is this? And this is Life Liner Extreme Black Duo Pencil and Liquid. I think I have one of these, but I cannot find it. I bought it from Sephora when it was on sale, and I cannot find it. Okay, let's use this because I couldn't do my wing. Well, actually, no, we're not going to use this because this video could go left. I already put my lashes on, but all right. Well, let's put it in the waterline. Oh, I'm like trying to twist it. All right, let's see. Of course, I already have liner on, but okay. I live for a black liner, so, and supposedly it's like a really good liner. So yeah. All right, I'm feeling it. This, I don't know. I see people using these, but I'm like, I don't know. I might give this away, actually. Yeah, I might give this away. I don't know. Okay, number 9. This is number 9. I mean, but the packaging, like, come on. You can't beat that. The packaging is, like, on point. This feels small. Why are you playing with me, Huda? Huda, why are you playing with me? For $125 or $175, why are you giving samples? Like, this is a sample. Huda. Bombshell. I mean, it's cute, but still. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Number 10. Okay, this is number 10. Small again. Okay, at least this looks full size. All right, so this is a lipstick, and it is in this shade. Ooh, it actually looks really nice, but my tip is broken. So I don't know how that happened. Let me see. I can show you guys. The tip has like a little chunk out of it. I don't know. You guys think it's still usable with the chunk out? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it might have hit this, but I don't know. Anyway, this is in the shade El Cinco de Mayo. Yeah. There's literally like a chunk taken out of it. I don't know if I could show you guys. Yeah. I don't know. We'll ask my sister. Okay, so that is number 10. Number 11. Number 11. This is heavy. Well, I think this is a perfume. It feels like a perfume. I don't know about that first one. Okay, so this is a darker one. Let's sniff this one. The musk. I don't know. Okay, this one is vanilla. It's vanilla. God. Oh my God, it's like a stream. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about vanilla. You know, this I believe is a palette. So I guess it is worth the value if you think about it, but I'm sitting over here like, why are you giving out sample sizes, Huda? You know damn well you have some extra full sizes you could have gave out. All right, so here is the Mercury Retrograde palette, which I actually was almost gonna buy this on Sephora when it was 40 bucks. But yeah, this is actually really cute. I really like this. Obviously, this is right up my alley. So let me see the shades, because this came out a while ago, so I don't really remember them. Okay, so there's a glitter, and I love her palettes. So I guess if you think about it, you got the 2 palettes, but I just don't like the fact that there is sample sizes in there, or, you know, deluxe sizes in there when it's like $175. Like, I mean, it's almost $200, so I don't know. I don't know. You could drag me in the comments if you think I'm being too picky, but this is really pretty. This is really, really pretty. So I'm happy I got the palette. I would have had a full face, but it didn't come till later in the afternoon. But yeah, I really, really can't wait to try this. Like, should we swatch the glitters? Let's just swatch them because I'm keeping this. So this is Super Moon. And I love to keep my palettes looking like, you know, perfect. Ooh, that's pretty. And this one is, what is this one called? Gold Glitch. Oh, okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. Now let's do the purple ultraviolet. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. All right. Let's swatch them. Okay. All right. Okay. I mean, you can put them on your lid with your finger. They show up on my skin tone, so that's good. So, so yeah, I don't know. I'm a little kind of disappointed because I kind of wanted a few more full-size items, because really the only full size is the palette. It's like the palette, and I guess this is full-sized. And then the perfumes. Now, if you got the one full-size perfume, that would have been like, you know, even if I don't like love the smell, because I don't know about these 2 smells. They smell a little bit weird to me, and I love perfume. Oh, well, the eyeliner is full-size, so that's good. But this was on sale for $12 at Sephora. So, well, no, that still doesn't even make it up, because the palette was on sale for $40. These are just overpriced. The 9 pan palettes are like $30 or $20, which, I mean, that's just too much. And then I guess this is full size, the lip liner, which doesn't, I don't think that goes with the lipstick. And my lipstick is, it does have a little nick in it. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. The lashes are full sized. So what do you guys think? Was this all worth $125? I got it for $125, but it really was supposed to cost $175. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Make sure to enter all my giveaways that are going on. A sheet mask though, like Huda. I'm actually kind of disappointed. You know, I'm not like negative in my videos, but really, Huda, come on. You could give out more full sizes, or like at least like another 9 pan palette. I don't know, like one lipstick. So there's really not that much makeup because there's only the lashes. Well, I guess this is inexcusable. Like, Huda, really, this mini lipstick? No. Come on, girl. Get it together. Like, you know damn well you had some full sizes sitting around that you could have put in here, but I don't know. I don't know. $175. Like, I would have been mad if I paid $175 for this. But her stuff is expensive, so I don't know. I'm on the fence. You guys, thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment down below. This is the most expensive mystery box I've ever purchased. I do like the palette. I mean, here are 3 of the shimmers. It looks like it's, you know, I love her palettes, so I think the palette is good, but I don't see that this was a discount. I mean, probably if you know what, I'm gonna tally up the retail and see, like, is this a discount? But let me know if you guys think this was worth it. $125, well, $175. That's the regular price, $175. So yeah, guys, till the next video, thanks for watching. Make sure to enter my giveaways. Make sure to check us out on social media, GlitzGlamFix, GlitzGlamBox, and also Hot Kitty Beauty. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.